This is an unusual position, but yes, you can tip back. In this video, I will show you how to raise yourself from this position.
Alright.
You need to lock the wheel on your strong side. Once you lock the wheel, you should push yourself up, forward, with your strong side, which in my case is the right one. I have to pull the wheel back, okay? So while I'm pulling the wheel back, I'm pushing with my left arm. And very slowly. I'm up.
Oh my god! Wow!
Of course, if there is someone around you, ask for help. But if you're at home by yourself and you need to raise yourself up, he's my help here.